Day and Night by Patricia Armentrout. It says, learn about the basic patterns of the sun and moon and what causes day and night. Day. The sun is rising in the sky. It is time to wake up. A new day has begun. To find out more, we call it daytime when the sun is up. This is a picture that shows sun in comparison to Earth, our world. It says the sun shines on our world. Its light helps us see. It keeps us warm. The sun is the closest star to Earth. Sunlight helps plants and animals live and grow. Look up at the sky during the day. Can you see clouds, blue sky, birds, and planes? Sometimes you can see the moon in the daytime sky. A full day lasts 24 hours, but we only see the sun for part of the day. And this graphic shows Earth. It is daytime on the part of Earth that is facing the sun. And it is nighttime on the part of Earth that is not facing the sun. Night. Sunset is the time of day when the sun goes down. The sky grows dark. Daytime becomes nighttime. What can you see in the night sky? Can you see the moon? What shape is it? Can you see stars or the blinking lights on planes as they fly across the sky? Nighttime makes us sleepy. It is time for bed, but that's okay. Tomorrow, the sun will rise again. It says daytime turns into night. Nighttime turns into day. Because this happens over and over, it is called a cycle. Let's take a moment to learn some more about day and night in this story by Robin Nelson. Remember, in order to be an expert on a topic, we have to learn about that topic from multiple resources. Day follows night. Night comes after day. What makes this cycle of days and nights happen? Earth spins in space. In the morning, your part of Earth is turning to face the sun. You see the first light from the sun at dawn. The sun rises into the sky at sunrise. It is day. You can see the sun and clouds in the sky. Earth keeps spinning. In the evening, your part of Earth is turning away from the sun. The sun moves lower in the sky at sunset. You can no longer see the sun at dusk. It is night. You can see the moon and stars in the sky. Earth turns. The sun will come up again in the morning. The cycle goes on and on. Learn more about day and night. Earth spins. It takes Earth 24 hours to spin around once. During about half of those hours, your side of Earth is facing the sun, and it is day. During the other half, your side of Earth is facing away from the sun, and it is night. Day and night facts. It takes 24 hours for Earth to spin around one time. This is one day. The sun always rises in the east. In the morning, as Earth spins, the sun rises higher in the sky. At midday, the sun is highest in the sky. In the afternoon, as Earth spins, the sun sinks lower in the sky. The sun always goes down in the west. When it is day, it is night on the other side of Earth. Glossary. So here are some terms that the author wanted us to know the definition of to better understand our text. Clouds, white or gray groups of water droplets that float in the air. A cycle, to repeat over and over again in the same order. Day, a 24-hour period, the period between sunrise and sunset when it is light. Moon, a natural satellite that moves around a planet. Night, the part of the day without sunlight. Star, a ball of burning gas in outer space that gives off light. Sun, the closest star to Earth. Sunset is the period of the day when we lose sunlight and it grows dark. And the world is another way to say Earth.